Ever wondered how your beloved Pepsi comes to life? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey that reveals the magic behind every Pepsi bottle. From humble raw materials to the final fizzy refreshment, we'll uncover each step that crafts the Pepsi you know and love. So hold on to your curiosity and prepare your senses, because we're about to unravel the secrets behind this iconic beverage. Get ready to dive into the magical world of Pepsi production. The journey of Pepsi starts with gathering the right ingredients. It's a medley of elements, each lending its unique profile to the final taste that we all know and love. First up, we have water, the lifeblood of any beverage. Next, sugar sweetens the deal, giving Pepsi its characteristic kick of sweetness. Then there's caramel, not just for color, but also for that hint of richness lurking beneath the sweetness. Caffeine makes an entrance next, providing that subtle jolt we often need. Phosphoric acid follows closely, adding a bit of tang and preserving freshness. Finally, we have the secret weapon, natural flavors. These are the unsung heroes, working behind the scenes to round off the Pepsi experience. And let's not overlook the importance of sourcing. Each ingredient is carefully chosen from responsible and ethical sources, ensuring the quality we all expect from Pepsi. With all the ingredients on hand, it's time to blend them into the iconic Pepsi taste. The real magic happens in the Pepsi production process. Let's break it down, shall we? First, we start with the mixing. The carefully selected ingredients are brought together in a large vat. This includes the high fructose corn syrup, the water, the caffeine, and of course the secret Pepsi flavoring. This blend is stirred until it's perfectly mixed, creating the base of our beloved beverage. Next up is carbonation. This is where our flat mixture turns into the fizzy drink we all know and love. Carbon dioxide is pumped into the mixture under high pressure, causing the gas to dissolve. This is what gives Pepsi its distinctive bubbly sensation. Now, onto the bottling process. This is a rapid, high-speed operation. The carbonated mixture is funneled into bottles at a dizzying speed. Each bottle is then capped and sealed to keep the fizziness intact. But it doesn't end there. The mixture is carefully monitored throughout this process. Quality checks are done at every stage to ensure that each bottle of Pepsi has the same consistent taste. Sensors and automated systems check for the right balance of ingredients, the correct level of carbonation, and the appropriate temperature. This monitoring extends to the bottling process as well. Advanced machinery ensures that each bottle is filled to just the right level and that every cap is securely fastened. The bottles are then inspected for any leaks or damages, and voila, we have our bottle of Pepsi. But it's not quite ready for the shelves yet. Each bottle is then labeled with the iconic Pepsi logo and the necessary information. This includes the ingredients, the nutritional facts, and the expiration date. The bottles are then packed into crates, ready for their journey to the supermarkets, convenience stores, and vending machines around the world. After the bottling, our Pepsi is almost ready for you. But there are still a couple more steps to go. Stay tuned for the next part of our journey, where we'll talk about quality assurance and distribution. Before Pepsi reaches your hands, it goes through rigorous quality checks. Picture a team of dedicated experts, their senses honed to perfection, tasting each batch of Pepsi. They make sure the flavor is just right, that familiar tangy sweetness, the fizz that dances on your tongue. It's not just about taste, though. They ensure every bottle is of the highest quality, free from imperfections and filled to the right level. From the quality control room, our journey takes us to the distribution center. Here, bottles of Pepsi are boxed up and loaded onto trucks, trains, and ships, ready to quench thirsts all around the globe. From bustling cities to remote corners of the world, no place is too far to deliver that unique Pepsi experience. And that's how your favorite Pepsi is made, checked for perfection, and delivered to your nearest store. It's a global symphony of taste and quality, all coming together in that iconic blue bottle. So the next time you take a sip of your Pepsi, remember the journey it has been on. From the meticulous gathering of ingredients to the careful orchestration of the production process, and the rigorous quality assurance, each bottle of Pepsi is a testament to the hard work and dedication put into its creation. We appreciate you joining us on this fascinating voyage. Don't forget to share this knowledge and hit the subscribe button for more intriguing insights. Until next time, keep enjoying your Pepsi, folks.